Hey family, and welcome back to the channel. So I have everything laid out here to make our one pan affordable meal. So in this bowl I have some chicken legs. It's 5 chicken legs in here, and the packet costs it was like about $3.69, and you get some nice sized legs in here. And so I've already washed them off, and how I clean my legs is I first soak them in some vinegar and water for about 20 minutes, and then I cleaned them off really good, took a knife and took all the slime off. Then I changed that water out and then filled it up with some more water and add just a little lime juice and allow it to soak in that, as well. And then that also helps with the taste, because sometimes chicken, it can have, like, to me anyway, like this little aftertaste. So, just to make sure it's cleaned really well and take away that taste, I then soaked it in a little lime juice, okay? Then here I have in this bowl, this is about half a bag of frozen spinach that I have left over. Now, allow your spinach to sit and thaw out. As you can see, mine still has a little frost on it, but allow it to thaw out, and then you want to squeeze that excess water out, okay? And then here I have some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then also my seasonings. Now, I always say, if you're new to my channel, just season your food to your taste, okay? So these are just my usual seasons that I use. I have 2 bottles of turmeric out here, so I removed one. But it's basically, I have turmeric, some garlic powder. I like to use the Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper. I have some paprika, black pepper. I also have some complete seasoning, and then some all-purpose flour. And I know you're saying, wow, that's a lot of seasoning, but majority of this stuff is spices. This has salt in it, and I believe the complete seasoning has like a small amount of salt. But again, I say season your food to your liking. And then also here I have some rosemary, if I didn't mention that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So now we're going to get started with preparing this delicious, affordable meal. Okay, so now before I add my rosemary, I'm going to go ahead and remove 2 of these legs, because as I said, I'm going to be doing, well, I didn't mention it earlier, I'm going to be doing 2 separate recipes with using these chicken legs, because I'm the only one that eats chicken and I don't want to eat baked chicken all week. So I'm going to move these to the side to do a separate recipe, and you'll see that video probably attached to this one, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to drain the excess water from my spinach. I just put it in the microwave on defrost, just to, help with the process, because I didn't take it out early enough. So just literally just grab a handful and then just squeeze all that extra water out. Alright, so here's the spinach right here. So now I'm just going to take just a small amount of olive oil and drizzle it on my spinach. And then at this point, you can season your spinach if you want a little, but I'm not. Only because what I'm going to do, this is going to be a bed for my chicken to lie on, and I'll show you. So I'm just mixing that up. So now I'm just going to lay my spinach out in this pan. So get like a, you know, a baking dish. It could be a glass dish if you want. You know, anything that you could put in the oven that could withstand the heat. And I have my oven preheated on 375 degrees. Okay, so now I want to take my chicken legs and I'm going to place them on top like this. Yeah, spread the skin out. Okay, so now this is how it looks. So once my oven is ready, I'm going to put this in the oven and allow it to bake. And what's going to happen is the juices from the chicken are going to marinate with the spinach, and that's going to give the spinach the flavor. And so this is why I'm not really concerned with seasoning my spinach separately, because they are going to be seasoned from the chicken juice, and you don't want it, to be too salty or anything, okay? All right, G Squad, you know what? Just to be a little safe, I have some chicken stock in here that's left over. So I'm just going to take a small amount and just, boom. Not too much, because like I said, it is going to make its own juice, but I don't want to run the risk of it drying out and my spinach getting stuck to the pan. So let's just, yeah. And on this channel, I will switch up and add stuff on the fly. So I just wanted to, if you're new to my channel, again, this is, what I do. This is why I say use your own seasonings, okay? So yeah, now I'm going to pop this in the oven. Okay, y'all, so let's check on our legs. Okay, so this is how they look. They've been baking now for about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to flip them over and allow them to brown on this side. And then also just going to mix up our spinach. Okay, get some of that juice from the chicken and the seasoning. Okay. So now I'm going to pop them back in the oven. Alright, family, so our remove this. Our chicken and spinach is done. Okay, you see the nice brownness on, oops. Might have if I pan it in a little closer, fam. There we go. Okay. So this cooked in my oven for a total of 27 minutes, and I turned my chicken legs over twice. But as you can see, how the spinach, it has like a nice little caramelization on it. Okay, so it's infused in the juices and the seasoning from the chicken. But yeah, and then also the spinach, this was just a simple way that I cooked it. But, feel free to make it your own. You can add mushrooms in it, onions. You can even add some like feta cheese. Just really, make it your own. But I just wanted to just give you like the, the basics. And, the kids will love it. If you find it difficult for them to eat vegetables, try it this way and add some of their favorite, ingredients in there. But, yeah. And then also, early in the video, I showed you that I, divided the chicken to do another meal with it. So let me just show you that. Okay, so now here, with the other two chicken legs, I air fried them. I seasoned them. You saw me season them on camera. And then I just air fried them, and you can hear the crispiness on that chicken. And then I just paired it with some vegetarian baked beans and some corn on the cob. So this meal with the 5 legs can feed at least a family of 5, and the entire meal costs it was no more than I believe like $12, or if you're a single person, this is a great meal prep. So now you have your entire meal, for the week. Okay, so family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Comment below If you like chicken legs, what's your favorite part of the chicken? You know, if this has helped you and given you some different ideas. And it's a really, both of them are really fast videos. Fast meals to make. It actually took longer. It seemed longer because of the video, but you can whip this up, you know, in less than, you know, 30 minutes, okay? So family, I love you guys so much. You know, stay blessed, stay well, stay up, you know, uplifted, and, you know, we got this, all right? And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.